I'm Corey McCain with WeStrive, and I'm going to walk you through this FAQ. The Sales tab is directly related to your WeStrive payments with your Stripe account. As of today, WeStrive payments is available in over 30 countries worldwide. You can find out how to connect your Stripe account from the Help section in your WeStrive portal. Once your Stripe account has been connected, you'll be able to see your Sales tab synced up, and you'll be able to graph everything based on the dates. Below, you'll see how much money you're making from your recurring monthly payments, one-time payments, how much is being taken out by processing fees, and then finally, your total overall income on WeStrive. From the Billing tab, you have a list of every client in your system and can break down their payments based on pending, overdue, and paid. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out at help@westriveapp.com. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to smile, and definitely do not forget to keep striving.